Alright, so we haven't done one just like this yet that has 3 fractions in it. It's really not too different. The only thing that you need to know is don't try to do it all at once. Okay, sometimes that may work, but most of the time it won't. So the most important thing is don't try to do it all at once. I'm going to put like a little dotted line right here, and I'm going to focus on this part first. Now, since this is all addition, we're still going to use the order of operations. And since it's all addition, we're just going to go from left to right. So this is what I would do first. Okay, so I have 1 over 7 plus 5 over 7. Okay, so my first step is to add the numerators. 1 plus 5 gives me 6 over 7. I don't have any whole numbers, so I'm not going to do that step 2. Okay, now I can bring this back in. Now I have 6 over 7 for this part, and now I just bring the rest of this straight down, plus 6 over 7. Okay, now I have a problem just like I'm used to. Okay, so I have 6 over 7 plus 6 over 7. I add the numerators. 6 plus 6 gives me 12 over 7. My second step is to add the whole numbers, but I don't have any. My third step is to check for improper fractions. Improper fraction means that the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and yes, this is an improper fraction. So I have to fix that. To do that, remember we divide, top in, bottom out. 12 divided by 7. 7 goes into 12 one time, so that's 7, subtract, and we get 5. Now remember, this 1 up here is your new whole number. This 5, the remainder, is going to be your new numerator, and this 7 is your new denominator. Okay, so 12 over 7 equals the same thing as 1 and 5 sevenths. So that would be the answer to this one, 1 and 5 over 7. Whenever you're typing that in, the way I want you to type it is just a regular 1, and then a space, and then 5 backslash 7. Okay? But this isn't the answer to any of the questions on the quiz. This is just an example.